So this is my little pile of things that I made this month. So to get started, I'm gonna go in order of my least favorite to favorite. Actually no, I'm not gonna do that. I'll just start. So the most recent thing that I've made is this. Actually I lie, this is the second most recent thing that I made. It's this bikini top. It's gorgeous, the color is just too fabulous. But I actually made this a year ago, and I've had so many people asking for the pattern, so I just made the pattern, well, a tutorial of the pattern on YouTube. As you can see, I'll link it in the description. And then this is the most recent thing that I made. It's inspired by like a lyrical artist slash poet, Mamadou, don't know how to say his name, but I'll put a picture in here. He wears these things, and so I made this for somebody who requested it. So I'll just put it on and show you the pattern. I kind of made up the pattern because I don't have the pattern for it. I just made it, but it's too big for me. Like you can see, it's too long. But how gorge! It's like, apparently it's called fillet crochet or fillet crochet, but also I found this quite simple and super quick to make. So that was the next thing. And then the next thing that I made is this blue bikini top. Also pretty simple and quick. It's like those mosaic square tutorial skirts that I did, but basically just a triangle. So if you want matchy, you can just literally make this as well. So if you want a matching skirt, like set and bikini top, you can make this. It's basically the same, but except you use a triangle, like so you increase in only 3 places as opposed to 4, because you're making a triangle, you know? Then, next thing that I made is this crochet cardigan. So gorge and super simple to make. I kid you not. It's basically, a lot of squares, but it's just granny squares, so very easy to do and super beginner friendly. And then you crochet squares together to make a panel, and then you crochet different panels, like a front panel, arm panel, back panel, like these 2 front panels, and then you crochet them together and do some details, and then you've got a beautiful cardigan. So love that for me. Actually not for me, but for somebody else. You can love one too if you make one for yourself. And then this is my favorite thing that I made. I actually made this for one of my friends last year. She was going to holidays to the Maldives, but I was like, oh my word, I need one because I'm going to holiday in Spain. So I made one for myself, but I've actually made it too short, so I need to add on another row. But you can see the back is so gorgeous. Like I've done it to fit perfectly. Like it does, there's no gapes, it's just lovely. And I have done a tutorial on this, but this is literally summer wardrobe unlocked. So if you want to start creating your dream summer wardrobe, I really, really recommend this dress. And you can take such gorgeous pictures in the dress. It just fits so stunningly. I love it. And also what's really cool is that it's a crisscross back, so it's kind of like nearly one size fits all. I don't know if that makes any sense, because the back can crisscross, like it might fit a bit differently, but it still fits, you know. And then I also made a mesh top that I've actually sent over to America with one of my friends. I've made so many of those, you've seen it all over Instagram and TikTok, and I've done a tutorial for it, so I'll leave a link so you can go make all of these things, because I have done a tutorial on literally all of them besides this and this. But this you can figure out, this I don't know. Let me know if you want a tutorial for this, because I can do one. And that's it. I hope you love to see everything that I made this month.